a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again, Man with the Shadow. Let's see, it's sometime in February. It's almost the end of February. Things are getting warmer. I haven't done much in the last couple weeks except make crazy videos and record stuff. Trying out tonight. What I did was I cleaned out the iPhone because it's a recorder on my old iPhone. I'm not buying a special camera and try to figure out a dock it. This one goes on my computer, to Mac, whatever works. Yada yada yada. So I got an old 16 gig iPhone that look, flashy lights. 16 gig iPhone that I just wiped it out. Of course I forgot to check if there's ink on it, but you know what, I haven't looked at it in years. Don't need it. So I cleaned it out. It stupid iPhone connected to my other phone, stole the password from my Wi-Fi, did all kinds of. Basically, I didn't have it connect. I wiped it clean. It connected to my other iPhone, stole the password from my Wi-Fi of that phone, set up this phone, changed the the login password from a 4-digit to a 6-digit because 4 digits not strong enough. I mean, I don't have anything on it. But anyway, the stupid phone was eating like 8 gig of. There's a 16 gig hard drive. It was eating like 8 gig of freaking memory on it. So what I did is I cleaned it out, and I think now I have access to probably 11 gig, 3 more gig of information, which isn't bad. Yeah, I'm chewing garage gum again, and so that got that done. So I'm gonna test this video out for a little smart video. Yeah, my phone's still crooked. This stupid phone stand I got is just dumb. I'm gonna stop it here, and I'm gonna create another video after this. So if you like my channel, like, subscribe, whatever. I'll just keep babbling on and on. Bunch of videos. So enjoy. Thank you. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow the little finger. Have a good one.